Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Kajabi referral links for partner promotions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the dashboard by clicking on the home icon. From the left-hand menu, select People. Inside the People section, click on Partners to view your partner list. Locate the partner whose referral link you want to restore. Click on their name to access their profile. In the partner profile, look for the section labeled Referral Links. Here, you will find any existing referral links associated. If a link is missing, click on the Add Referral Link button. In the new window, input the required details for the referral link. Make sure to clearly label the new link for easy identification. Set the destination URL where you want the referrals to lead. Adjust any additional settings relevant to the referral link. Once all details are filled in, click the Save button to create the link. After saving, verify that the new link appears in the partner's profile. Communicate the updated referral link to your partner. Consider providing them with any promotional materials they can use. Monitor the performance of the referral link over time for effectiveness. Adjust your approach based on the analytics provided in the Kajabi dashboard. This will help ensure that your partner promotions are successful. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and manage referral links for your partners. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.